Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are back in Southwest Florida here today, as you guys can see. And in this video I'll be showing you guys how you guys can AFK money grind. This method will actually give you quite a lot of money if you leave on your computer overnight or throughout the day. Before this video actually starts, I want to give credits to my friend It's RB. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. Make sure to subscribe to him. But yeah, I actually did learn this method from him. The app we will be using today is I learned it from him. But yeah, I did actually ask him permission before recording this video here. But yeah, I hope you guys all enjoy the video. Alright guys, so first thing you guys want to do is choose any job you guys want to be at. I personally like Fintech, but it could be any job, but Fintech is the highest paying job in Southwest Florida if you guys are the top job rank, if you guys are the top job rank. But yeah, so we are at Fintech right now here. As you guys can see, you guys are going to want to go head into Fintech until it has this 3 top boxes, but you guys can be anywhere in Fintech as long as it has these 3 white boxes at the top here. But yeah, once you guys are in Fintech, that's pretty much it. But now you guys are going to want to head over to the Microsoft Store. Here we are at the Microsoft Store, as you guys see, and then we are at the homepage right here. And what you guys are going to want to do is head to the top right corner to the search bar and search up Move Mouse. Here I have, as you guys can see, Move Mouse, and then it should be the first app that pops up here with this logo here, Move Mouse, as you guys see. And then for me, I obviously already have it, but you guys are going to want to press get and then probably install right here. And then once it is fully installed, you guys are going to want to open up the app. Alright, so here we have the app opened up here. And first things first, what you guys are going to want to do is head over to the settings icon right here, click on it, and copy down these settings I have. These settings are actually from my friend Joey. But yeah, these are the settings you guys are going to want to be using. So you guys can pause the video, copy it down here, but you got to make sure you have these settings for it to work. But yeah, copy down these settings, main thing right here. And then once you guys are done, you guys are going to want to press close. And then after that, the final step, you guys are just going to want to click the mouse here. And then as you guys see, there's green sort of timer going here. But then after that, you guys are going to want to click anywhere in Roblox here, just click off. And then there we go. And now it's running at the bottom here, as you guys can see. Yeah, so this it is running down here. And you could just leave this on overnight or throughout the day for however long you guys want, and it will just be moving your mouse every couple of seconds, which will make the game think that you are not AFK and you are still here moving your mouse here. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. But yeah, you guys can leave this on for however long you guys want, and it will be making money for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Make sure to comment down some video ideas you guys want to see, role plays or list videos or tutorial videos or whatever you guys want to see. Comment down below, and hopefully I can make a video for you guys that you guys want to see. But yeah, otherwise make sure to subscribe. We are almost at 5,000 subscribers, big milestone. But yeah, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me I sent a text love, going solo, but I wish you all the best love. Now this ain't just perfect time and place it best up.